Hey friends, if you wish to enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display in the right pane, and then you will have to scroll down and click on advanced display, or I think there's something called as graphics. Yeah, select graphics and then click on change default graphics settings, and there's something called as hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. In short, we call it hardware acceleration or graphics acceleration. Now this is turned on by default in most computers, but if it is not, okay, it's like this, then simply turn it on and right click on your start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart your system, because this will only come into effect once you reboot your system. And once you do, you will notice that games will be much faster, but it will use more system resources. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.